before you toss out those old corks, clothespins, bottles, and buckets. Hold on. What if your trash could become your next favorite decor piece, storage hack, or furniture fix? In this video, we'll show you 20 genius DIY projects that give new life to everyday household items. They're fun, functional, and surprisingly stylish. Let's jump in. Don't throw away those wine corks just yet. With a little carving, a pinch of soil, and a tiny seedling, you can turn each one into a mini planter. Add a magnet on the back and pop it onto your fridge or filing cabinet for a splash of greenery wherever you need it. Speaking of corks, here's another idea. Turn one into a clever cable holder. Just drill 2 holes through the cork and thread in a piece of bungee cord. A couple of knots later, you've got a simple fix for taming tangled cords. If you have a handful of corks left over, glue them together into a stylish pen holder. Use corks from special occasions or favorite bottles to give it a personal touch, turning everyday desk clutter into a little memory display. Corks are also perfect for making coasters. Cut them down or arrange them in patterns to create a natural, heat-resistant spot for your coffee mug. And for your larger pots and pans, why not make a cork trivet? Arrange and glue the corks into a grid or spiral, and you've got a rustic, durable surface that protects your counters in style. Now let's talk clothespins. One of the easiest ways to reuse them is by turning them into a rotating picture display. Clip them around a cardboard ring, and you've got an ever-changeable frame for photos, notes, or postcards. Still have clothespins? Use the wooden halves to decorate a plain plastic pot. Paint them, glue them around the sides, wrap the top in rope, and add lace for a rustic storage bucket perfect for anything from hairbrushes to kitchen tools. Or go sculptural by stacking clothespin triangles into a tall tower. Wrap a string of LED lights around a dowel and slide the structure over it. Now you've got a glowing piece of art that doubles as a lamp. For an easier decor option, paint some clothespins and clip them in a circle to create cheerful wall art. It's simple, colorful, and a fun way to brighten up blank walls. If you want to take it up a notch, build a clothespin lamp, glue full clothespins into sturdy panels and attach them around a bulb fixture. The result is a cozy, handmade table lamp that adds a warm glow to any room. Next up, that wire coat hanger in your closet can be reborn as a handy book stand. Just bend it into shape with pliers and it'll hold your book while you sip coffee or take notes. No hands needed. An old plastic bucket. Don't toss it. Transform it into an upholstered ottoman. Add legs, top it with foam and fabric, and you've got a comfy, portable seat with secret storage inside. Even a kitchen colander can find new life as a light fixture. Drill a hole in the center, insert a bulb socket, and hang it up. It's quirky, creative, and perfect for a casual kitchen vibe. If you prefer something more modern, build a magazine rack from PVC pipes. Spray paint the frame and attach a fabric sling. Easy to make and even easier to admire. A wooden crate also makes a great side table. Add a shelf inside, attach wheels to the bottom, and you've got a rolling piece of furniture that fits books, baskets, or anything else you want nearby. And for the sewing enthusiasts, turn a mason jar into a pincushion and supply holder. Stuff the lid with batting and fabric for the cushion, and store needles, thread, or buttons inside the jar. Need a desk accessory with personality? Wrap decorative rope around a glass to form a pencil holder, then pinch the top into ears and add whiskers for a playful kitty design. That old tire in the garage? Clean it up and wrap it in rope. Add a wooden foam top upholstered in waterproof fabric, and you've got a durable outdoor stool with hidden storage inside. Old jeans piling up? Cut off the legs, sew the bottoms closed, and roll the tops to create handy denim containers. Add embellishments or labels to organize your desk or drawers in style. And finally, give new life to plastic bottles by turning two bottoms into a zippered storage case. Just hot glue a zipper between them, and you've got a fun, functional pouch for everything from school supplies to travel accessories. Who knew household junk could become so stylish and useful? These 20 upcycled DIYs prove that creativity can turn the everyday into something extraordinary. Like, share, and subscribe for more clever ideas. And don't forget to start saving those corks and bottles.